Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting next on Euro JPY. So let's zoom it out. We clearly can see that our trend on Euro JPY is literally on an uptrend move. We are having a series of higher high and an higher low. Now, if you are to zoom it in properly, you would also see something like higher high here. And here comes the higher low. This is the higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market eventually came to retest it and pull back. Now that we've gotten this higher high, and so the market has eventually gone bullish, so we will be expecting that bullish move to take out this previous high. So basically, our forecast on Euro JPY is still a bullish move, a new higher high. Now, there's every possibility that it will give us a pullback. Have that in mind that if it gives you the pullback, it is just a minor pullback, because once the minor pullback comes, it will continue another bullish move will be made, which will have to take out this previous high. So our forecast on Euro JPY is still to the upside. So the bullish move is what we will be expecting on Euro JPY.